Today, I am going to speak about a great saint. He is very important in the history of Sri Lanka. He is Saint Joseph Vaz, the apostle of Sri Lanka, oratorian priest and missionary in Sri Lanka, then known as Ceylon Apostle of Sri Lanka and Kanara, patron of Goa. Was arrived in Ceylon during the Dutch occupation, when the Dutch were imposing Calvinism as the official religion after taking over from the Portuguese. He travelled throughout the island, bringing the Eucharist and the sacraments to clandestine groups of Catholics. Later in his mission, he found shelter in the kingdom of Kandy, where he was able to work freely. By the time of his death, Vaz had managed to rebuild the Catholic Church on the island. As a result of his labors, Vaz is known as the Apostle of Ceylon. On 21st January 1995, he was beatified by Pope John Paul II in Colombo. He was canonized on 14th January 2015 by Pope Francis in an open-air mass ceremony at the Golf-Face Green in Colombo. The third of 6 children, Vaz was born in 1651 at Benolin, his mother's village in Goa, then known as Portuguese India, part of the Portuguese Empire. His parents, Cristão Vaz and Maria de Miranda, was devout Catholics. Christoph belongs to a prominent Naik family of Sencole. He was baptized on the 8th day at the parish church of St. John the Baptist, Benolin, by its pastor Jacinto Pereira. Vaz attended the elementary school in Sencole. He learned Portuguese in Sencole and Latin in Benolin. He was a bright pupil and respected by his teachers and fellow students. He made such rapid progress in studies that his father decided to send him to the city of Goa for further studies, where he did a course in rhetoric and humanities at the Jesuit College of St. Paul. He further studied philosophy and theology at St. Thomas Aquinas Academy of the Dominicans in Goa City. Joseph Vaz was ordained a deacon for the Diocese of Goa. After his ordination, he left India for the service of the people in Sri Lanka. Today, Sri Lankans remember him with love and care for the great service he has done to the poor and neglected Christians who were living in that time. Because of Father Joseph Vaz, today all of us are believing in Christ and we persevered. Our ancestors suffered a lot. Because of the faith of Father Joseph Vaz, he restored the faith of our ancestors. Today we are grateful to him. O blessed Joseph Vaz, we are your children. In this COVID-19 period, please protect your children. Intercede for us and protect all of us. As you carried your mission in this holy land to these people, for these Christians, bless all of us. God bless us all.